AI is going to replace more than 3 million jobs in 2025 alone. And you're probably thinking, we are not seeing that. AI is not taking that many jobs. But they are. Here's what's actually happening. And this is what we're finding out. New research says AI is replacing workers already. But you're not seeing it because those jobs that AI is currently taking, well, they're taking job positions, open positions is what they're taking. But it's going to affect you very soon. Look at this. Here's a new report as well. It says AI adoption linked to 13% decline in jobs for young U.S. workers. This is according to a Stanford study. It says right here, the study revealed that workers between the ages of 22 and 25 have experienced a 13% relative decline in employment since 2022. Okay, how is this happening? What in the world is going on? Well, here's what's happened. People that are fresh out of college, so they're anywhere between like 22, 23, 24, 25 years old. People that are fresh out of college, which actually aligns with this study, 22 to 25. People fresh out of college, especially those that went for a 4-year degree. Here's the concern that I have, is they were busy trying to get their degree over the last 4, 5, 6 years. And what happened was things changed. AI was taking their jobs as they were actually in college, getting that degree, and now they're finding their degree actually isn't as valuable as it once was because AI is here to stay. Look at this though, because this is what a lot of people don't realize. Look at this right here.
AI is going to eat a lot of jobs. A new report came out today that said the type of tasks that AI can do is going to double every 7 months. You have to think bigger and act bigger about what to do about it.
That's very scary. AI is going to double the amount of jobs they're able to do every 7 months. Wow. AI is going to take more than 3 million jobs in 2025 alone. We are going to see it likely double in 2026. It's likely going to reach easy 5 to 6 million people will be out of a job as a result of AI. Look at this. You don't believe me? Look at this. Okay? Just look. This is what's happening. This is at a coffee shop. Look at that. It can make the coffee, it can put it up there, and it even knows who to give it to. How crazy is that? That's just at a coffee stand. But you think it goes any further than that? You think it's more than just office positions? Yeah. Look at this right here. This is in a field. Okay? Look how smart this is. You can see it scanning. Look at that. Okay? It's de-weeding. That's what essentially what it's doing. It's cleaning up around the fruits, the vegetables. How crazy is that? And let me just go one step further, because again, you're probably thinking, well, we can replace farmers, right? Well, yes and no. Keep in mind how we get some of our funding. Keep in mind how we are funding Social Security. People work, and as those people work, every single hour that they work, money comes out of their paycheck. Okay? 12.4% total comes out of their check. Okay, it's 6.2 from the employer, 6.2 from the employee. 12.4% goes to Social Security. Yeah. We are using the American people to pay for certain benefits. Look at this one. This one's just crazy as well, because we use farmers. We use a lot of migrants. They come here to the United States to pick fruits and vegetables and to work in the fields. Well, look at this right here. This robot identifies and harvests ripe cauliflower or ripe broccoli. Look at that. It scans it. Okay, which ones they need to pick, and then it picks it. Look at that. My guess it bags it too. If you think your job is 100% safe because AI isn't going to take it, you're wrong. You're mistaken. Listen to this. This is what somebody wrote to me. Somebody wrote, and I quote, Why is everybody freaking out about AI and how it is taking jobs? Isn't AI a good thing? I, for one, have been more productive with my time by using AI, which only makes me more valuable to my boss. Again, if you know what you are doing and how AI works, then you should view it as an asset and not a liability, right? Well, yes and no. First off, AI is making you more productive. Great. My guess is by you being more productive, you're not getting more work done. You're actually working less hours. That's the problem. So essentially, you're using AI, you're becoming more productive, and instead of working 40 hours a week, you're working 36. Okay, you just shaved off 4 hours a week. Well, 16 hours a month. Even if you only made $10 an hour, that's $160 a month that you're missing out on. Make $20 an hour, that's $320 a month you're missing out on. That's where it will impact you. But on the flip side, many people, include myself, I use AI for so many different things. For different research, if I'm trying to do certain projects for whatever it may be, I'll use AI. If I'm trying to do different things for a resale business or for investing, I'll use AI for some things. But again, AI isn't 100% correct all the time. Okay, we're still developing it. It's still in that transition phase, the learning curve, right? So eventually it will be great, and I think it's already really good. But again, AI is going to replace so many jobs. I'm able to use AI, and I don't have to hire certain people. And I was hiring a lot of people from the Philippines and India and places like that because you just get them cheaper. But here's the thing. I don't need them anymore. I can use artificial intelligence to help me out and be my assistant. I can use AI to schedule out my day. I can use AI to make appointments for me. I don't actually have to do it. That's the great part. If I want to, I'm planning on building a little structure on my property, and one of the things that I was thinking about doing is trying to come up with different designs. Well, I put all the information into ChatGPT, put everything in, the size, where I want it, when I want it built, everything, and it did all the planning for me. I give it my contractor and we're good, right? Here you go. This is what I want built. This is what it should cost. This is how long it should take. And again, this is what I need for permit, whatever. It did it for me. That's what AI does. So if you think AI is not going to replace what you are doing, you might be wrong, okay? Just think about it. Just think about what I showed you, okay? These things, machines that are able to pick vegetables and fruits. Yeah, that's what's crazy about this, is this is happening so quickly. And the fact that we're seeing AI is planned to double the amount of jobs it's able to do every 7 months. Yeah, this is scary. So keep that in mind, but just understand, if you can actually keep up with AI, understand how it works and how you can use it to your advantage, yeah, that's where it becomes a huge game changer for you. And you may not lose your job as a result. So we'll see what happens, but I wanted to share that with you before we hit this weekend. Again, if you have any questions regarding AI and how it could impact your specific position, let me know down in the comment section below. But again, thank you guys for watching. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next one.